Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, my name is Srinath Vijay Bhagwat and I am studying in third year mechanical engineering. Today we are presenting a group project pre and post harvesting using in a recent agricultural equipment, and my group project member is Kiran Rajan Naik, Suraj Mahadev Gadge, Yash Jagdish Kakni, and our group project guide is Professor A.C. Dowde sir.
Harvesting. It is the operation of cutting, picking, plucking, and digging, or a combination of these operations for removing the crop from under the ground or above the ground, or removing the useful parts or fruits from plants. Pre and post harvesting. Pre harvesting. A pre harvest system may be defined as a system of existing technologies for agricultural raw material production. Thus, the term describes the fundamental technical and economic relations within agriculture. Tasks and refer as agriculture practices. Preparation of land, sowing, applying fertilizers and manure, irrigation, interculture operation or weeding. Post harvesting. In agriculture, post harvest handling is the stage of crop production immediately following harvest, including cooling, cleaning, sorting, and picking. Tasks are referred as agriculture practices: harvesting, threshing, storage. Post harvesting equipment. Tractor front mounted reaper binder. It used for harvesting the crops are wheat, paddy, and soybean crops. It can also be used for harvesting of and other similar crops. Engine operated reaper can be operated with a 5 to 6 HP engine. Width of cut is about 1.6 meter in power tiller reaper and about 2.05 meter in tractor operated reapers. Power tiller and tractor front reaper windrower can cover about 0.2 hectare per hour and 0.4 hectare per hour respectively. Winnowing machines for grain cleaning. Winnowing machines is an equipment used for separation of grains from the chaff. Hand and power operated winnower can separate chaff, dust, etc. from grain. About 500 to 800 kg of grain can be winnowed in 1 hour. These machinery are much useful when sufficient wind velocity are not available and during unfavorable weather conditions. Small scale potato harvester. This machine digs potato from the soil by separating soil from the roots. It functions on small scale but separates the soil quickly to reduce the problems in harvesting of potato. Pre-harvesting equipment. Pneumatic planter. Pneumatic planter are precision agriculture implement developed keeping in mind to increase productivity and to ensure accurate seeding. Pneumatic planter works for all types of seeds thanks to numerous seed discs available for different type of crops. Brush cutter. A brush cutter, also called a brush saw or clearing saw, is a powered garden or agricultural tool used to trim weeds, small trees, and other foliage not accessible by a lawn mower or rotary mower. Various blades or trimmer heads can be attached to the machine for specific applications. Power rotary weeder. Power weeder is a farm equipment utilized for secondary tillage. Another name refers to teeth called as shunks. These penetrates the soil as they are pulled through it directly. Power weeder used after the plantation to remove weeds and control the plant from the topsoil. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.